Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable email notifications for top tweets on Twitter using your PC. If you find your inbox flooded with notifications about top tweets and stories, follow these simple steps to customize your email preferences and declutter your inbox. To begin, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings for your account. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account settings and preferences. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Email Notifications. This section allows you to customize the types of email notifications you receive from Twitter. Under the Activity from Your Network section, you will find an option for Top Tweets and Stories. Uncheck this box to disable email notifications specifically related to top tweets and stories. Once you have unchecked the box, remember to click on Save Changes to apply your updated email notification settings. By following these steps, you can easily tailor your email notifications on Twitter to suit your preferences and reduce the clutter in your inbox. Take control of your email notifications and enjoy a more streamlined Twitter experience.